What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the noise. Got a package in and checking them out. Coming from Shield Arms. A couple stickers right there. Pretty cool. Good channel, good dude. Check them out. Let's see what we got sent. So, if you didn't notice, it's from Real Steel. We have the Stella Luxe OD Green. We have the Solis Luxe Purple. And then we have the Luna Luxe Purple. So it's the Luxe. I don't remember what these are. I think they're slip joints. I don't know about all three of them. I thought two of them was. But let's check them out, because I do not remember. Again, as you can tell, coming from Real Steel. This one is the, if I can get it out of the daggone box, this is the Luna Luxe Purple edition, or color, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, wait, what? Okay. So here's just, oh, it is a slip joint. Alright. Oh, it's got a pocket clip. Liner lock? Button lock? Oh, no, oh, these are just all the different kinds. Okay. So let's check it out then. Luna Luxe, here we come. See what you got, girl. Oh, so it is a slip joint. Let's get box number one out of the way. Definitely like, oh, it does. Oh, it does. Okay, that's cool. Is that just G10? That can't be. It's got to be like a coating, G10 coating or something around it. That's crazy. Okay, this thing's crazy. I like it already. Sorry. I like crazy. Crazy works for me. So it is a slip joint. Kind of wipe it off real quick. It's still dirty. I'll clean them up later. This is the slip joint, and this thing is kind of freaking crazy. Different type of walk and talk for me. So I've been trying to deal with some slip joints lately, and this one is definitely, I can finally tell a difference in some of the slip joints, and this is kind of different. Not bad though. I like it. Not bad though. I like that. And I like purple. It looks pretty good with it. I'm not a big purple fan, but I kind of like this. My wife would probably love this because she loves purple. Purple backspacer right there all the way down it. You have a purple pocket clip. Is it reversible? I think it might. Yeah. No. Yeah, that's reversible. Yeah, because right where that screw hole is, so I would think it would be. Yeah, I think it would be reversible. Lanyard hole right there. Super small, like stupid light. Like, I'm not even joking. It's all micarta all the way through it. That's awesome. Yeah, not bad over hand size. Not too shabby. Got a little bit of jimping right there, just for a hand, probably finger, I guess, gripping. That's nice. I like that for as small as it is. Like, that's crazy. What's that right there? Just R for trade or whatever, copyright, trademark, whatever that is. I don't know the steel on. I think K110 is a steel. I just don't remember if it's good or not. I cannot remember. I'll have to do some research on this, obviously, and for the final review, you'll know more about it, obviously. But that's so cool. Man, they smudged the crap up out of it, though. I'll have to clean that up. Especially before I do the final review and before I pass it on. Okay, so I wonder if these are all like that. That's the Luna Luxe. This is the Stella Luxe in the OD green. Okay, so this is also I think these are, okay, all three of these are probably going to be slip joints. They're just different types. Luxe must be like the slip joint brand or slip joint line. And then like the Solis or Stella are like different types. Again, a pocket clip with the micarta, or this one's a little smoother. I guess, yeah, the pocket clips are a little smoother than the actual handles. But they're so freaking dope though. Okay, this is just a freaking crazy day because this is so awesome. Again, dirty. Little smooge. I'll have to clean that up. Can I get, oh, I can get it right there. I don't know what that crap is. So I'm going to try to use candle wax for lubricant. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. My OCD's getting me. A little bit bigger handle. Man, this stupid light, too. Like, these things are light. And it's cool. It's nice. This one has like another, like a lanyard pole or post right there. Ain't no reason to skeletonize the inside or anything like that because it's so freaking light as it is. Another backspacer all the way down it. Same right, yeah, okay. So this is just a different like type. Is it K10? Yeah, K110 also for steel. Stupid light, man. These are crazy. Oh, let's check out the... See, they're not going at the 90-degree angle. Obviously right there. They kind of stop a little bit. They stop everywhere. Just about. But there's like a defined stop right there at like the 110. Let's see if it's the same. Yeah, about the same. So there's not like they stop wherever they're kind of at, except when they get closer, obviously. But that profound stop's right there. Not bad, though. Walk and talk is not bad. I do want to keep stopping it right there. Like, it does stop right there. But that's me kind of being used to stopping it right there. Super cool, too. Like, I'm excited for this one. This one is also purple. The future of slip joints. Obviously, traditional is still going to be there. Oh, this one's cool looking. Oh, baby. Okay, this one's probably going to be my favorite. New designer. Poltergeist work. I wonder if they're all by Poltergeist. Yeah, okay, Poltergeist works. That's the emblem. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so that's why there's like a little skull or something like that. It's like a poltergeist, something like that. That's like their little insignia, insignia or design emblem, something. I don't know. Yada, yada, yada. Let's check this out, though. This one's another smaller one. But this is, oh, okay. Fave, right here. Look at that. Freaking, she's sexy. She purple, but she's sexy. I like this one the best. I like this, the sheep's foot look, or Warncliffe, whatever, sheep's foot. That looks nice. I wonder if they have these in blue or black. I would like just black. Got your lanyard slot right there. That's a big one right there for you. Man. Okay, I like this one better for the walk and talk. And just the overall movement of it, I feel like I like it better. Real Steel's coming out with some stuff right now. Look at this. That's nice. Again, pocket clip, same. G10. I don't know if I said Micarta earlier. I might accidentally said Micarta. Sometimes I do. G10 though, for all these. That's nice. These are great. Another backspacer all the way across. Stupid light. I can't wait to do final reviews over these. I'll probably just do like an overall final review over all three of them together. Like get, weights and like lengths and all that type of stuff for you. But these things are phenomenal. Like, and this one is my favorite just because of the blade shape alone. But these are so cool. I want like some kind of DLC coating on it. Nice. They're nice overall. They do smudge like freaking crazy. It's probably why they came like that, a little dirty, just because you close it, you open it once, and then you got smudges on it. That's all right though. Like, that's nice. I can't wait. I'm gonna carry these around a little bit, use them. Those are awesome. Okay, that's all I got. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Check these out. Freaking awesome. You want something lightweight with a pocket clip and a slip joint? Oh, here's your chance. I don't know how much these are. I'm assuming they're not expensive because G10. So if you want a slip joint that's kind of stylish, got a pocket clip, man, these are right up your alley. Then check them out. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm out. It helps me out, and I always greatly appreciate it. Thanks, y'all.